Hello everybody. Today I'm going to open this waffle maker. I have never made waffle. So when I went to the shopping on the holiday season, I saw this is so $10. Actually, it's $9.99. That is on promotion, so I got one. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. Today I opened it after how many months? For December, January, and February, so almost 3 months. Uh-huh. Cup of waffle maker. Product features: non-stick copper coating. Wow. Easy top oven handle. Separate power and ready indicator lights. See? On the side, copper waffle maker, ultra durable copper coating that have a copper coating here, and easy clean up. Makes a large 7-inch round waffle. Easy to clean supplier non-stick copper coating. Power and ready lights. And more product features on the back. I have give me the good waffle because I have never made a waffle before. When I just came to US as the sponsor family, they make the waffle. So for us to eat the first day here, they're not using this machine. This one, they just on the pan mix, so it's not bad. Alright, when I made a waffle, I let you see it. So PDE and PFOA free on the bottom. For household use only. Warning: this product can expose you for chemicals, include lead, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. For more information, go to p65women's.ca.gov. Right here. That's right there. See it. For customer service, please call. Okay, this is the information for us if we need something. We need to we have a question with them. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Yeah, you ready? I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Let me. Yeah. No, it's not the way to open it. I think you have to turn it like this. Easy. Up. Yeah. Okay. Here. Yeah. I have this. Actually, it's not like this. And I take it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, the brand name is Farberware. not bad. It's not bad for $10, but if it's give me the good waffles, and it's good. But if not, it gives me not good waffle. It's not good. And then let's see. Now first we just see it now here. And so the electric cord is undetachable, so it sticks like this. And here is a power light. This indicates it's a power ready. This is the brand name. Let's see. Like this. So it's like this. So it's a copper coating. I heard a copper coating is make the food is harder than the regular, so make your food taste better. But I have never tried. I don't think in my house I have anything. The cookwares in my house were uh, uh, has the copper coating. So yeah, let me see. Yes, I do. I did open box another electric skillet with the copper coating last week. But I haven't tried yet. I haven't cooked anything on that skillet yet, so I don't know. Uh, so anyway, the color is yellow, golden yellow. It looks nice for people who love for gold. Me, it doesn't matter to me. So yeah, the let's see. And that's all. Okay. Whenever I I make some waffle, I will let you see. I did buy the syrup butter in there for the waffle, but I think I have to, because it's been a long time. I think because I want to try to make the waffle on the regular pan, so I bought one of the syrup butter there, but I haven't used it. But I don't know if it's still good or not. Probably it's not good anymore. So I need to get one. I think it's not expensive, the syrup. I saw sometime the store sells buy one get one free. Not bad, but if you you use all two bottles, if not, it's not a radio. So you have to buy a cheap place. That's all. Oh no, one more. I forgot. This is important. What's this? Farberware copper waffle maker. The booklet. It's a lossy paper, so you don't get dirty for your hand. I don't stick anything. That's nice. That's nice. This one upper and this one lower. Let's see. Okay. That's not. What else? I just give you the to see the most important thing in this one is illustration to how you make the waffle and how which you not do it. This one do not do like this. This one do not. And this one you should do like this. That's the illustration how to do it. What else? Okay, the first before first you remove all packaging matter remove all packaging materials and other transportation means. Check package content to verify it is complete and undamaged. Do not operate the appliance if the content is incomplete or appears damaged. Return it immediately to Walmart. Danger of suffocation. Packaging materials are not toys. Always keep plastic bags, toys, and foam park away from babies and children. Packaging material could block airways and prevent breathing. Clean your appliance and all accessories throughout before using for the first time. When using the appliance for the first time, it is recommended to operate it for at least 5 minutes until no odor or smoke is present. During use, ensure ample ventilation. Let the appliance cool completely. Clean the appliance. Note: the appliance may produce an odor and/or emit smoke when switched on for the first time. Aspirations from the production process are eliminated. This is normal and does not indicate a defect or a hazard. So this is the before first use. Using the appliance. The session for using the appliance. Okay, let me go. Next is using appliance to continue in this session. And next is baking waffles. Yeah. This session. Baking waffles. Yeah. Next. Let me move fast because I don't want to keep it long. People complain me. Recipes. The first session. Recipes. Cleaning and maintenance. This session. Next. Storage. Right. This session. Troubleshooting. Here. Last one, technical data. Oh, I think that's the last one. I'm not sure. Let's see. Now one more page. Customer assistance. Okay. I think that on the first page I didn't show you. So important cell girls. Yeah, it's a very long. So this instruction. Important cell girls. The first session. The second one, additional cell girls. Yeah. And then that's our first of all English session. And they have, I think, the Spanish session in the back here too. Is that the Spanish? I think so. On the session back here. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. I will open all my stuff. So I bought it. I have more money yet this week, and I on the weekend probably I do some video for recording some do it yourself like cutting or peeling and stuff like that. That's my planning, but can I keep that? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.